Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, guaranteed to satisfy that craving for all the Indian restaurants. Hello everyone, today is 11th of June 2020. Very special day for me because it's my father's 90th birthday, and normally I would be with him. He's in Toronto now, and unfortunately because of the pandemic we are not allowed to travel, so I'm not with him. However, we still got to eat, so today I have decided to make chili paneer, and this item, this dish, chili paneer, is an Indo-Chinese dish. It is very, very tasty, right? A lot of the times you can have it as a snack. So if you're having a cocktail party or an appetizer before dinner, you can serve chili paneer. So what do we need for this? We need 200 grams of paneer, and you can buy this at an Indian store or a supermarket. It comes in a block. So you get one of those blocks of paneer, 200 grams. Get yourself one of these peppers, always makes it more tasty. I'm using red, you can use green, yellow, red, or combination if you like. We need a few of the spring onions. You need one red onion, and then a few sauces. It's going to be all in my description and my recipe card, so you can follow with me as we go along. I have already chopped up the paneer. The paneer pieces are about half an inch cubed, so they should be equally sized cubed. And so the first step that we're going to do is we're going to coat the paneer in some corn flour and flour with water mixture, seasoned. We're going to fry those, and then we're going to make the main sauce. And you do need a little bit of chili, a few chilies, and an onion, ginger, garlic paste. So we will get started now. You can watch while I do this. It's not onion, ginger, garlic paste, it's just ginger, garlic paste. I'm so used to making curries with onion, ginger, garlic. Sorry for that. So it's ginger, garlic paste. Right, watch me as we do this. Chopping, cutting, frying, cooking. Right, we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of plain flour, maida, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of corn flour. One, 2, and 3. And then we're going to put in half a cup of water. So you want it a bit runny, and to this mixture you're going to put in a pinch of salt. Put a pinch of salt and about a little bit of black pepper, freshly ground is what. When the oil is nice and hot, that's when you just drop in these coated paneer, one at a time. And paneer cooks very fast, so don't want to leave it in for too long. And you turn them over when they're a bit golden, so they're golden on all sides. Now when you see they're this sort of golden color, that's the time to get them all out. So I'm just going to bring them out and start preparing the sauce, and I'll be using the same I was going to use the other oil, but actually for flavor sesame oil is better, so we're just going to put in 1, 2, bit more, 2.5. It's got a lovely nutty smell coming from this oil. It's beautiful. So what we're going to put in first, if you really want to put in, if you like heat, you should always put in the chilies first. And when you put in chilies into hot oil, the heat of the chilies is released. Next, you're going to put in the ginger garlic paste. Got about a tablespoon of ginger garlic. Let that fry for a bit. Then you're going to put in the spring onions that we chopped. I want the rawness of the ginger garlic to cook through, so let it cook out. You must use sesame oil if you like the nutty taste. You get the authentic Chinese taste to it. When you're doing this step, use sesame oil if you have. Right, next the onions go in. Quarter shaped onions, and give that a stir. Keep this on high. Let the onions cook through. And put peppers. Drop peppers in, give it a stir, and now is the stage where we're going to put in all the sauces. Right, here we go. Start with the sauces. Got dark soya sauce. Put in a tablespoon dark soya sauce and another 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce going in. Then we're going to put in light soya sauce. Again. One, 2. Then we're going to put in, you know what I like, we'll be putting in next is chili oil. Not too much, just a little bit. Get the Chinese flavor. Just about 1/4 teaspoon of that. Give that a stir. Next, we're going to put in some ketchup. Then put in a tablespoon of ketchup. Right. Final ingredient is a bit of corn flour and water. It's kind of a slurry, which tablespoon of corn flour with a bit of water. Give that a mix. It's a slurry that goes in. And finally, we're going to just drop in I like a bit of sriracha in mine, so I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of this maybe a little bit more. And there you have it. It's going to be yummy. Now, depending on whether you want it runny with a bit more sauce, you add more water to it, but I like ours fairly dry. This stage has to be quick so that the paneer stays nice and crispy. Beautiful. We are all set for chili paneer. Just gonna serve it up now. That's it, done. Here my daughter is. It's ready, chili paneer, restaurant style for the house. Eat it slowly, it's really hot. Slowly. Oh, let me have a bite. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, guaranteed to satisfy that craving for all the Indian restaurants.